Hey everyone, I'm Chris Woodland, respiratory therapist and director of respiratory for Southmedic. Thanks for watching this video on how to use our Oxy₂Mask EtCO₂. Oxy₂ EtCO₂ is our next generation of Oxy mask. It's one of the safest and most comfortable oxygen masks for your patients to use, and one now that provides more oxygen and can more reliably capture end-tidal CO2 waveforms, even at higher oxygen flow rates. We'll talk more about the EtCO₂ waveform capabilities in another video, but let's hone in on the oxygen side of what this mask can deliver. Oxy₂ EtCO₂ now utilizes Oxy₂ technology to deliver between 24 to 83% FiO₂ with no mandatory minimum flow rate. How does the mask perform like this with all these holes? It's all about the Oxy₂ technology. The triangle inside this mask is called the diffuser, and oxygen comes up the tubing, bends at 90 degrees at the elbow, and enters the diffuser. Then the oxygen molecules hit the inside of the curved diffuser plate and start to spin on their own axis in an organized cluster of oxygen. We call these oxygen clusters velocity vortices. This concentrated cloud of oxygen now has 4 ports of exit out of the diffuser, 2 directed to the nose and 2 pointed to the mouth. The intentionally formed cloud of concentrated oxygen pours out of those ports directed towards the nose and mouth, exactly where it needs to go. That's how Oxy₂ EtCO₂ can deliver up to 83% FiO₂ in a mask with a whole bunch of holes in it. You can find Oxy₂ EtCO₂ in 3 sizes: Oxy Kid, Oxy Adult, and Oxy Plus, for all your patients requiring elevated oxygenation and end-tidal monitoring. No matter who requires capnography alongside oxygen therapy, we have an Oxy₂Mask EtCO₂ for you. An open-style oxygen mask capable of delivering elevated FiO₂s and capturing superior end-tidal CO2 sampling. Because that's what we believe at Southmedic. We believe in finding a better way for you and your patients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out at thebetteroxygenmask.com. See you next time.